My name is Dr. Trevor Barronian. I'm a Seattle native, grew up in the SeaTac area, spent some time down in Portland and now back to the Pacific Northwest. My expertise is hip and knee replacements. All the joints in our body have that cartilage cushion that goes between them and keeps the bones from contacting each other. Unfortunately, with time, those cushions can wear out, and unfortunately the only fix for that is a hip or knee replacement. So I spent 1 year training specifically in that area to make sure we do that as quickly and safely as possible to get patients back doing what they love to do. Because the hip and knee replacements are metal and plastic, they can wear out. And so with newer technology, it's much easier now to replace those old components with newer components. So that's the other part of that. The good news is even for younger patients, this is an option. They can get them back to their life without that cost of having multiple surgeries down the road. So with the newer hip and knee replacements, our goal is to get people's lives back in motion. And so one of my goals when working with patients is clear communication, so they know exactly what's going to happen, what to expect. To make sure they understand what their options are, so that way we can work together to come up with the best plan that fits them and their life at that time. So one of the things that brought me to Olympia Orthopaedics was the amazing group of physicians they have here. They're spoken of highly throughout the area, and I think that's something that's very important, to surround yourself with people who are very good at what they do and you can lean on when you need it. So outside of work, my passions primarily are activity-based. So I love the skiing and the mountain biking and road biking that this area offers, one of the reasons I came back. Some of the other things I like to do are gardening, cooking, working around the house. I enjoy those kind of projects to better the area you live in. I think that brings a lot of joy. One of the other benefits of the Olympia area is there's many great hikes, and I love to go on hikes with my wife and dog on the weekends, get you outside and get out of the city, get some fresh air.